Hi there, HuggleBerry Toys Surprise. And today we're going shopping. And we've got our Toys R Us electronic cash register and our Kid Connection groceries. Awesome! Okay, let's get shopping. Here's our cash register. The cash register has a scale to weigh our produce, which is our fruits and vegetables. We've got a drawer that opens up. It's a working calculator and it makes noises. 2 plus 3 equals 5. $5, please. It also has a scanner. We've got some Monopoly play money. There's a $1, a $5, a $10, and a $20 bill. Let's put our Monopoly play money in our cash register drawer. And it's also got a slot for a credit card. Let's use our Shopkins credit card. The working calculator has numbers from 1 to 9. It also has an on and an off switch. And it has math symbols, plus or addition, minus or subtraction, times or multiplication, or divide or division. It also has an equal sign and a decimal. Okay, it's time to look at our groceries. And our groceries are from Kid Connection, and we've got 120 pieces. This is a play food set. It comes in a pretty pink polka dot bag. And you can play and go. There's our groceries. Awesome! There's our pieces. 120 pieces. We've got donuts, ice cream, ketchup, and fruits and vegetables. We've got box food and canned goods. We better set up our grocery store. In our grocery store, we've got fruit, vegetables, meat, sweets, bread, chocolate, and cans and box goods. In this Kid Connection playset, we've got enough food to make a restaurant. We've got chips, some tomato fixings for a burger, hot dogs, French fries, breakfast, and a whole lot more, so we can shop at the grocery store or go eat out at the restaurant. This playset also comes with more boxes, so we can make a lot of box food. Oatmeal. That looks like chocolate. Strawberries, a strawberry pie, and candies. Okay, now that we've gone grocery shopping, it's time to go through the till to pay for our groceries and take them home. Canned pineapples, ketchup, oatmeal, chocolate. Let's weigh our pineapple. £1. Our fancy bread. That's $1. Chicken, let's weigh our chicken. ½ pound. Butter. Tomatoes. We have to weigh our tomatoes. Got 'em. Tuna, canned tuna. Let's weigh our lemon. Let's weigh our strawberries. We've got a green cabbage. We have to weigh our fruits and vegetables. Let's weigh our bananas. And we've got a chocolate bar. Price check on aisle 9. Price check on aisle 9. Yummy! We'll ring everything in. Our fruits and vegetables. That's $25, please. I'll use my Shopkins credit card. Thank you. Come again. After a long day of grocery shopping, you certainly need a treat. We'll also take 2 ice cream cones, vanilla and strawberry. That's $2, please. Here's a $5 bill for our ice cream. And we get $3 back. 1, 2, 3. There's our groceries, all bagged up and ready to go. And we've got our treats. Thanks for watching HuggleBerry Toys Surprise and our electric cash register from Toys R Us and our food play set from Kid Connection. Have a HuggleBerry day. Bye. Share this video and don't forget to subscribe for more HuggleBerry Toy Surprise.